Doing my story to 2030. My editor is, he's that is a budget.
Yeah, I do use isomalt sometimes. I make a sugar.
I hope it's air across the world.
Yeah, of course.
वहीं सामने यार.
First and foremost thing, they give a personal touch. You are going to an individual bakery where cakes are baked individually and there's a lot of love. Secondly, you're giving a very you customize the cakes according to what the person wants. We have cakes where people want a guy sitting on a couch and reading, doing work on his laptop, and he has all his files in this thing and all around. So that sort of a thing also we do. So that gives a lot of personal touch to the person. Plus, a lot of people think like rather than spending money on gifts and stuff, it's better to go for a nice customized cake. As a very unique birthday present for the person.
We go white layer, I'm chocolate layer. So we take this one.
It's a $100 million industry, and there is a lot of potential. We have all new kinds of things coming up, like this customized cakes, and we do cupcakes. The thing people have changed from giving mithais, like in the past recent 7 to 8 years, people have changed from giving mithai as wedding gifts. They've started giving chocolates. Now they've started experimenting more, and they give brownies. We do cupcakes for weddings, we do cupcakes for baby showers, so that sort of a thing is like really come into trend now.
Yeah, and basically I do.
Now this trend has picked up of the printing.
When the thing started and you get appreciation. There are so many new people that are going in for the courses, so definitely there is a lot of growth, and especially if you give a variety to the clients would like to try something new. It's obviously the basic chocolate one they get bored of, so it depends. If the flavor is there, if the variety is there, the industry is definitely blooming.